This is a Virgin Media TiVo box. Now I'm going to take the back off. There are 4 screws at the back and they have this particular screw in there, which is a Torx screw. It's a tamper-proof version. I did have to use a standard screwdriver to get 3 of them out, but the 4th one I couldn't get out. So I've drilled it out using a cordless drill. Now don't drill too far in, otherwise you'll go through to the top. I'm using a 4mm drill bit that should do the job. Now there are 2 more screws at the back, and this is what the Torx screw bit looks like. So when you undone the 2 at the back, you can now take the top off. There are 2 little retainers at the front. This is what it looks like inside. On the right hand side, the silver rectangle box, that is your hard disk drive where you store all your films and whatever. There are 3 screws that are holding it in place. There are 2 at the back, and there's 1 sort of halfway down on the PCB, the printed circuit board itself. So to take these plugs out, you need to push in the one of the sides of the plug. Now I'm going to carefully remove the hard disk drive and put it to one side. The next part I'm going to take out is the ribbon cable. It's just a push in, pull out one, so just be careful again with that and make sure you put it out the right way. Make sure you put it around the right way when you put it back together. Now there are 3 or 4 screws holding in the PCB, the printed circuit board, and now I'm just going to undo these stupid screws. So you need to remove these screws, and also the one in the middle, which is the nut that goes over the F socket. That is comes from outside, that gives it its data. Now on the front panel there are these small little buttons. Now let's put it back together. Just be careful, put everything in its right place, and all the screws should be in the right place as well. So you can screw the nut back in place, and obviously put all these stupid screws back as well. Now I'm using a cordless screwdriver. I personally would recommend to use a hand version. Just makes it safer when you're putting the screws back in. Like I say, there's about 4 screws. You can push those in. Invariably push them in, but you've got to pull a little section at the back to pull the plug out. This here, push in, is a push in, pull out one. Make sure it's in correctly and straight. And then we need to put in the hard disk drive. Now there are some lugs that it slips into. So then there are 3 screws to put back. 1 in the middle on the PCB. Now that one on the middle of the PCB, that is like an earth section as well. So the whole of the hard disk drive is earthed. So we're almost there. Now there are 2 plugs here. This is for, as I said, for the hard disk drive. You can see what I'm doing. Just that's when you want to take it out rather than when you want to push it in. When you want to push it in, it should go straight in. Now check to make sure that everything is in its place. Just push that back in, and then check it. As soon as you're happy, then you can put the top on. Thank you for watching, and if you had value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe, and go onto my channel to see more DIY. Thank you.